And my battery's almost dead.
We're gonna go with some light tackle. Here we have a small crankbait, so that's gonna be my light combo. Then my heavier combo is going to have us a topwater frog. This is Eat Me on it. Let's go. So at this specific pond, there's been a gator here. He's probably back there in the very back. Typically that's where he likes to stay. And look what I found when I walked up. This is a dead fox. This is a completely ripped to shreds, gutted, dead red fox. At least I think it is. Holy crap, dude. That thing is ripped to shreds. I gotta watch the water here. That'll be me next. First cast, not the best. I see some activity in the water. Oh, had one. He spit her out. He probably swam right back through here. I have a feeling he went right back out. There we go. There we go. Little tiny donkey. Just let him go. Watch out for these gators. There's definitely some activity and they seem lively. They actually seem pretty lively. Maybe I shouldn't be washing my hands right next to this carcass. We got one on swim bait, so maybe a top water would be pretty fun to throw. I'm seeing a lot of activity near the surface. Let's let that drag a little more because this is a big frog. I saw a lot of activity back there. Right there is exactly where I saw it. I don't fish topwaters a lot. Actually, I don't think I've ever caught a fish on a topwater, funny enough. So we'll see if I'm even doing this right. I don't know if I'm doing this right. I've never, let's go this way a little bit. More than likely, I'm just scaring them away with my loud plops. So we gotta watch for this gator because last time I was out here, he was pretty big. You can see these little slide tracks where he's been in and out. I can't see him. He might be in the water. Oh, I just saw some activity right where I was. We're gonna go to crankbait. I'm not really feeling confident with this top water. I also have some soft crawfish style lures. They're pretty big, so I might be able to catch a pretty big bass with that. Oh, I think I see him back there. Oh, there's something big right here. I don't know if I need to trim the legs on this or what, but maybe y'all can let me know if I'm doing something wrong. But we're gonna go back to a crankbait because I am seeing way too much and I think it's deeper than what I'm seeing. Swims so nice. Yep. We should have seen him jump out the water. Oh, yeah. He's a little bit smaller than the last one, I believe. Watch out putting my hand in there. Okay, so it seems like crankbait is gonna be the way to go, which has got me thinking I should maybe put a bigger one on my other combo. They seem to be like that silver. Man, that's wild. Here's a paw print from more than likely that fox. Little did he know he was about to get tore up out here by that gator. Freaking nuts. I did not think I would have seen that out here. This is a very small pond. This is like a small cluster of ponds. This is one of them, but this is where the gator's really living. I was worried he was gonna eat up all the fish. And holy crap, that's just nuts. He definitely death rolled him. His head is gone. And that's a night or two ago he had to have done that. Like, all right, we got another fish on. Oh, he's bigger, a little bigger. You know what? They are loving this. So let's move on to another pond that's out here and see if we can't hook up some more. Here's another small pond, and it looks like it's been freshly mowed. Now this pond is only, man, maybe 100 yards away from the other one, which means Gator Boy could be here too. Not bad. Ooh, barely had him on. He just came off. Little tiny guy. He's gone. There we go. Oh, he's tiny. Oh, he's a baby. Oh, I'm sorry, fella. Oh, yeah. So, guess I was right about casting towards or with the wind. Whoa, it is slippery. Oh, you little bastard. He was the bigger one out of the three. little guy. It is shallow and it is murky, but it's like one of those good murkies. I don't know if that makes sense. Felt like little nibbles. No, they cut that all up. It's all in the grass. It's all in the water. Definitely not a fish. All right, that was 3. What was that, 3 or 4 over here? They were smaller. They definitely were smaller. All right, so I'm in a little bit of a situation here. I got a fish on, but I'm also caught in these weeds, and I think I might lose it. I might lose this fish, guys, unless I get in the water there. He's on, and he's right there. He's out of the water too. Might have to get in the water to save this fish. Oh, I'm getting in the water. Looks like I'm getting in the water. Oh no, can I get him? Come on, baby. No, he's stuck. I gotta save him. Shit. All right, looks like I'm getting in the water. Can't let him go out like that. And I want my bait. Hopefully there is no, fuck. Well, this sucks. I gotta save his ass. I gotta go quick. Please, no gators. How deep is it? Oh my God, dude. If there's a gator in here, I'm fucking screwed. Try to make some noise real quick. At least try to make some noise. It's deeper here. This is perfect gator heaven. This is not good, guys. I need to throw something in the water. Scare away any gators or anything that might be out here. We are in chest deep water, and my battery's almost dead. Couldn't let him go out like that. Battery's almost dead. Perfect timing. Oh man. Oh, I was scared there was a gator in there. That was nerve-wracking. Hey, you're good, bud. Come on, buddy. There you go. Absolutely soaking wet. Well, that might be the end of the fishing for me today.